Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. I'm on an epoxy injection project. We have our Zerks installed everywhere down the wall. We've got it sealed between the Zerks, the crack itself, so the epoxy doesn't run out. Now we're starting the injection. The key to doing these jobs right is you don't want to inject them too quickly and you don't want to inject them too slow. Either way, you're going to ruin the job. So you want someone that's done thousands of these projects, which I've done. I'll show you. There's an air bubble in the line. So what I do is I monitor these bubbles as they go in ever so slowly. You add pressure, that bubble will travel about an inch up the hose, and then it'll stabilize. We look everywhere, make sure we're good. We're slowly going to inject that until I get the exact pressure that I want on the handle of my gun. And then I know the crack is full. It's nice and tight. We remove the hose, and it cures, and you're good to go. Crack's nice and sealed. You can follow this project start to finish on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. There goes that bubble, just a little at a time. It could take 30 seconds or it could take an hour for each port. Jade Alpine, see you guys on the next video.